Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to lesson number 2 for week 9. We are on unit number 5, that is square root of a positive number. Our today's topic is square root by finding square root by prime factorization. So we will start exercise 5b, question number 1 today. Before that we will have a look on the prime factorization for finding the square root. So let's take a small number, finding its square root by prime factorization. We have a number 36. So when we will do prime factorization of 36, it will be by starting first prime number, smallest prime number 2. We can start 2 1s are 2 and 8. Again 2 9s are 18. Now 9 is an odd number, we can use 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Now we can express this as a product of its prime factor. So 36 equals to 2 multiplied by 2 and 3 multiplied by 3. Now 2 is written twice in 3 also. We can make pairs, 2 square multiplied by 3 square. So 36 equals to 2 square multiplied by 3 square. So taking the square root of 36 will be square root 36 equals to 2 square multiplied by 3 square. Now we can cancel the power of 2, that is 2 square by under root sign or square root sign, and power of 3 with square root. We are left with 2 and 3 only, and 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. So square root of 36 is equal to 6, and we can recheck this one as by multiplying 6 again by 6. 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 36. So this is the way to find the square root by prime factorization. So question number 1 is find square root by prime factorization. Part A is 256. First we will find the prime factors of 256. So we are going to start the prime factorization of 256. As this is an even number, we will start by the least number, prime number, that is 2, and we will get 128. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 8s are 16. Now again 128 is a prime number, even number, so we can start its factorization by 2. We will get 64. Now again 64 is an even number, we can continue this by least prime factor, that is 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Now 32 is again even number, we will continue by 2. 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. So this is the prime factorization of 256, and we are getting total 8 factors for this, which are 2, and we are going to write all the 2's in the form of square. So we have got 8 factors of 256, and we will express it as a product of its prime factor. 256 equals to all its factors. Now we will pair up all the factors, and we can write it in the form of square as 2 square multiplied by 2 square multiplied by 2 square multiplied by 2 square. So now to find the square root of 256, we will take square root on both sides. Now as all the factors have power 2 and the value for the square root is 1 by 2, which means we are going to divide the power of each base by 2. So it will be like this whole, and we can cancel this square by square root. So we will be left with, that is 16. Second part of the question is 576. We will start its factorization. So 576 is an even number starting by the least prime factor, that is 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. Again we will start by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, and 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12. Now this is an even number again. 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18. Now 9 is an odd number, and we will start by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So these are the prime factors of 576. We will make pairs, and we will express 576 in the form of these prime factors. We can write 576 equals to 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2, and 3 multiplied by 3, all its factors. Now pairing up these factors, we can write 2 square multiplied by 2 square multiplied by 2 square multiplied by 3 square. Now taking square root on both the side, we will get a square root of 576 equals to square root of all these factors in this form. And we can cancel the power, that is 2 in all the factors, by square root. And we will get 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 24. So it means square root of 576 equals to 24. Now you will solve the remaining parts of this question, and part C and part A is solved on your worksheet. You have to solve from C to J part as your homework.